What the hell is that image on the bottom right? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to see if someone half-swiped on Snapchat. If you're curious whether someone has half-swiped on your Snapchat message, basically viewed it without fully opening it, here is a step-by-step guide. Firstly, we need to understand what this means, half-swiping. So this is a trick where users can read messages without sending a read notification. It involves partially sliding a chat from the left while on the chat list. So second, signs someone might have half-swiped your message. While Snapchat doesn't explicitly tell you if someone half-swiped, here are some clues. No open notification. If your message doesn't show as opened, but you suspect they've seen it, they might have half-swiped. Quick response. If they respond quickly to a related topic without opening your message, it could be a sign as well. Now, number 3. Test the method yourself. If you want to see how half-swiping works, do this. Open Snapchat and go to the Chat tab. Find the message you want to test. Lightly press and slide the chat to the right without releasing. Also be careful not to swipe too far or it will mark the message as opened. This gives you a feel for how others might read your messages secretly. Use context clues. If you suspect someone is half-swiping, pay attention to their responses and interactions. Look for inconsistencies between their replies and the messages they're officially opened. Snapchat updates its features often. Half-swiping might not work or show differently after app updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you. See you next time.